Hi guys, welcome to Selvin Kitchen today, and today we're gonna make plantain porridge. So guys, all of you guys who never drink plantain porridge before, please check it out. This recipe gonna be so delicious. So guys, thank you to subscribe to Selvin Kitchen. Keep on looking out for more recipe because we're always smiling in Selvin Kitchen. So guys, every time we come to Selvin Kitchen, we have a lot more new recipe coming out. We have a lot more idea. So please, if you're watching my video and you don't subscribe, guys, please hit that notification bell. So when I post a video, you guys will get it. Okay? Because Selvin Kitchen, we have a lot more recipe coming out. So everybody who subscribed to Selvin Kitchen, I really appreciate it, and I thank you very much. Please share the video with your friends and family on your WhatsApp status, on your Facebook, and your Instagram, and please share it around. Selvin Kitchen, we have a lot more recipe coming out. Guys, I reached 1,000 subscribers, and I thank you very much to keep on support me and keep on support me. Selvin Kitchen, I have a lot more recipe coming out. So today in Selvin Kitchen, plantain porridge. Guys, look out for it. It's gonna be delicious. It's gonna be mind-blowing. Selvin Kitchen, plantain porridge. Hi guys, welcome to Selvin Kitchen today, and today we're gonna make plantain porridge. So over here guys, we have 2 large green plantain. So for the ingredients what we're gonna use, we have 4 spoons of white sugar. We're gonna use a half a cup of evaporated milk. We have some nutmeg here. So we have a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. We have less than 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We have 2.5 teaspoons of vanilla. We have 2 cups of water. So in the pot over here, we have 4 cups of water that I put in the pot already, what we're going to use to make the porridge. So today in Selvin Kitchen, we're going to make plantain porridge. It's going to be delicious, guys. So please check it out. The first step we're going to do, guys, we're going to put all of the dry ingredients in it. So we're going to put the vanilla powder, nutmeg, salt, and the vanilla. So guys, I just have in my vanilla, my nutmeg, my cinnamon powder, my salt. So that's gonna give this a mix before I start to prepare the green banana. So everything in it, I'm gonna put on the lid on it. So today in Selvin Kitchen, green plantain porridge.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that there's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here.
So guys, I just finished blending it up. Now it's gonna open it. So I just blend up 2 large green plantain. Oh, look at that, people. Look how smooth is that. So everything blend right out. So now I'm just gonna add this one in the pot now. So guys, I have the water here already boiled already with the cinnamon, the nutmeg, the vanilla and a little bit of salt. So I'm just gonna add this in now. So you want to scrape everything out of it. Give that a stir. So today in Selvin Kitchen, guys, we're making plantain porridge. So I'm just gonna leave that there for around 5 minutes to boil, and then after I'm gonna check it again. Just put on the lid on it, give it 5 minutes. So guys, this is the plantain porridge, so you have to keep on stir it, because if you don't stir it, you're gonna get keep on mix it, you're gonna get lumpy. And if you want more water, you just add a little bit more water to it. So keep on mix it. Look at that, people. So I put in 4 cups of water in it already. Now a little bit thick, so I'm gonna add in another cup of water. So you want to stir it for the first 2 minutes, because you don't want no lumps in it. Plantain porridge, people, in Selvin Kitchen. So guys, so I'm just gonna add another cup of water in it. So 1 cup of water, so that is 5 cups of water. Make sure when you put in the water you give that a mix, a nice stir. Yes, my people, thank you guys for subscribe, and please share and like the video with your friends and family. Selvin Kitchen, we have a lot more recipe coming up, so guys, look out. And you can check my channel for the rest of the videos then. Please check it out, and please give me a thumbs up what you think about my plantain porridge. So I finished. Mix it around. If you look at it now, there is no lumps in it, nice and smooth. See that? I finished mix it out, because you have to keep on mix it for the first 2 minutes, because we don't want it to lump up. Look at that, people. So I'm gonna leave that to boil for another 3 minutes. Every 3 minutes I look on it. Guys, look at that. Green plantain porridge, guys. So now I'm just gonna add in half of this evaporated milk, or half a cup of evaporated milk. A little bit more. So I want to give that a stir. So you want to mix in all of that evaporated milk and that plantain. You want everything to have that same color. You don't want nothing brown or nothing too white. You want everything the same color. Oh guys, this is look beautiful and delicious. So please check out my channel for the rest of my videos then. Selvin Kitchen. We always come up with something new. And that, people, oh, creamy. Beautiful that is. Look delicious. And that creamy looking paste, guys. Cornmeal porridge. I have a video with cornmeal porridge already, what I make, so guys, please check out that video. I have a lot more recipe coming out, I have a lot more porridge making coming out, so guys, plantain porridge, guys.
I'll be okay.
So I'm gonna give that another 5 minutes. Guys, at this turn off the stove. It's been cooking for the last 17 minutes. So I'm just gonna give it another stir again. So this is my green plantain porridge, guys. Oh. So now just gonna add some sugar to it. So in the first thing I did say 3 spoons of white sugar, but I increased the sugar to 5 spoons. So not teaspoon, tablespoon, 5 teaspoons of sugar. I apologize guys, tablespoon. So I'm gonna put half of sweet milk, the tin of sweet milk. Did I put in half tin of sweet milk? I'm gonna give it a stir, so I want to mix in all of that sugar, all of that sweet milk. So you spin it one way like that, and then you cross way like that, so you mix in everything together. So in Selvin kitchen today, plantain porridge. Guys, look at that, look how creamy that look. Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful people, beautiful. So you guys can sweeten it to your taste, okay? So when you sweeten it, just put a little bit in your hand and taste it. If it want more sugar, you can add the sweetness to your taste. Some of you guys don't take sugar or anything like that, but all I'm saying, just sweeten it to your taste. So guys, this been sweetening this green plantain porridge. So guys, you sweeten it to your like. So this already sweetening now. So just gonna share out some of it. And the people. So today in Selvin kitchen, green plantain porridge people. So please subscribe and please share and like the video. And if you're watching guys and you don't subscribe, please share and like the video. Oh, look at that people. So I'm gonna serve my plantain porridge with some toast. Hi guys, this is my plantain porridge. It's all finished now. So I serve my plantain porridge with some toast bread. So my green plantain. So in Selvin kitchen today and Selvin recipe is green plantain porridge. So guys, please check out my video and check out the rest of the videos on the channel. Please give me a thumbs up for this video. This is so delicious, this so yummy. So guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Selvin kitchen was always smiling. So take care till I see you guys in the next video.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon.